Nose, buledi yazze tali mu ssaati.
Otyo?
Twakola batukubira butambala. Wachyo yambadde vest. Tono yambadde vest. Wachyo yambadde ssaati. Buledi yazze tayambadde. Chokate, nga yesizeeko ebizibu.
Security teyavuddeyo.
Ate ng'eviirayo ki.
Ng'eraba omuntu ali obwerere.
Edda munaye fashion. Bye baatukubiranga edda bazadde baffe kati ate yensi byekkiriza.
Byeriko.
Sooka otuweggune ne tumanye tuyiteejo tujje okugenda mu ggoozi.
You're looking gorgeous tonight. I want to give credit to my designer tonight. Kyeyekoze, you've done a wonderful job. Yeah, I'm here to. The English, I review your social. I'm here to announce the most stylish male artist of the year. And the nominees.
Male Stylish Artist of the Year, Uganda. And the nominees are Thick Jamaica, Grenado Fisher, Rickman Man Rick, Zui Towns, GNL Zamba, B2C.
Yeah, the winner is Kupambana Grenado Fisher.
A round of applause for Grenado Fisher.
Wow. Can I show you guys? Do you know that this is my first award ever? For real. Wow. I don't want to cry because I'm a strong man, but man, this is my first award ever. It's unbelievable because I've made this all times, but man, I'm so happy. And yo, let me dedicate this award to some people who don't believe in people who are great. I'm telling you, people are great, but some people, they put their bichi-bichi in there to put them down. Yeah, but trust me, people are great, and God, listen, you cannot stop what God meant. You understand? So I want to dedicate this award to people. If you know they don't believe in you, they think you're not great, trust me, you're great. Yo, I dedicate this award to everyone, man, and God, and to my family. Thank you so much, man.